Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing to my channel if you like the content. Today we're going to be doing chicken garlic parmesan sliders. I'm going to start off on the stovetop and end out with the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. Here's a sneak peek. Alright, so let's go ahead and take you into the first step. Alright guys, so this is what we have. We have 3 chicken breasts. This is about a pound of chicken. You're just going to want to cook this on the stove top until it's done. Now with the chicken done, you're going to want to cut this up really fine. Alright, so let's get on to the bread. Alright, what we're using is Hawaiian rolls. You guys know about these. And what we're going to be using is an air fryer attachment, which is this. Alright, so what you're going to want to do for this attachment, you could fit all 12 rolls in there, but it's a really tight fit and we're only going to be doing 9 today. So just like this, take a good bread knife, make sure you have a good one. And cut right across, just like that. So you have two parts, the bottom and the top. Let's move to the next step. Alright, so next step, with the air fryer attachment, place the bottoms of the rolls right in there just like that. Once you're done cutting your bread, get about a half a stick of butter, put it in the microwave or stovetop and melt it down. After the butter is melted, go ahead and add a whole tablespoon of freshly chopped basil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, or you can use 3 large fresh garlic cloves if you like, and parmesan, about a tablespoon, there we go, about a tablespoon of parmesan. And go ahead and mix that up. So after your mixture is done, you're going to want to go ahead and take your butter mixture and just put it lightly across the bottom of the bread. Now you don't want to use all of it here, just a little bit to coat the bottom. Just like that. Alright, with the bread sitting aside, now I'm going to do this. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm going to add just a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'm just using a very thin, it's a Carolina barbecue sauce right here, mustard sauce, just a very little bit, just to give the chicken a little bit of kick, not much. We're talking about a couple tablespoons, and then go ahead and mix it up. And there you go. So the mixture's all done. Let's bring the bread back. Alright, now we got the bread back. It's been sitting for just a couple of minutes, soaking up that butter. Let's dump our chicken on. Now that we've got the chicken on, let's go ahead and dump our mozzarella on. And don't be shy. Alright, now that we got the mozzarella on, let's get our other half of our rolls and stick them on top. Alright, let's take the rest of our butter that we made earlier and let's top it. Alright, now that that's done, let's go ahead and get prepared to meet you at the air fryer. Alright guys, here we're at the air fryer with the attachment, with this. Oh, it looks so good. Here we go. You just put it right in there like that. Close it up. We're going to get you power on. We're going 350 degrees. We're going to try 10 minutes real quick. There we go. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so actually after about, it's been 6 minutes, I took a peek inside with the light on and I can see they're starting to get done just a little faster than I thought they would. This is the first time I've done this. Let's take a look, and with this handle, which is awesome, for the basket, just put it in there just like that. And then you can take a look and see what's going on here. Ooh, those are looking good. We're gonna rotate these. Just like this, pop them back in, and I'm saying let it finish for another 5 minutes or so and we should be good to go. And there we go guys. Let's see what we got. After actually about 10 minutes. Let's get them to the cutting board and actually see what they look like. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so this is what we ended up with after it's all said and done. So now, just simply cut in between. Let's see what we're working with here. Well, let's see. I don't know. Soft, good. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll bring you right back for a taste test. All right guys, well the cook is finished and these things turned out amazing. So let's go ahead and take a bite for you just to see what we're working with. On here, I mean a whole bunch of melty. All right guys, well that was a huge bite. Those are awesome. Melty cheese, great sauce, great recipe. You guys should try it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And make sure to click the bell for notifications if you like the content that I'm putting out on my channel. And make sure to catch all the videos for this air fryer. There's gonna be an iCard, you know, somewhere up top here. Click that for the next videos as well. With that being said, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.